I live out the back of this camper van with my wife and 2 dogs. We moved in about 2 months ago and made it all the way to California. But the question is, how do we get here? Today's the day we pick up the van. All right, cool. Finally got the registration and it's time to get in our van.
Here is your key.
Thank you. We paid $50,000 for the van and started converting it the next day. We worked day and night for 3 months straight to complete the van before our apartment lease ended. We wanted to include amenities in this camper van that would be comfortable because we'd be traveling in this thing full time. We installed 500 amp hours of lithium power, 12-volt air conditioner, a 12-volt refrigerator, and even a propane heater. To keep our battery bank charged, we went with 600 watts of solar, a Victron DC to DC charger, which charges the batteries from the alternator, and a pure sine wave inverter charger. We handmade all the cabinets, which was the most time-consuming part of the project, and we didn't lose any fingers in the process, so to me, it's a win. After months of obsessing over this project, it finally came to an end, and it was time to move in. We had just 2 days left to a move-out day, and we still had a lot to do. So we went on overdrive mode and put 90% of our things in storage and the other 10 in the van, which led us to the first official night of living in a camper van. We chose to stick around our hometown for the first 2 weeks to help us adjust to the lifestyle before hitting the road. But once we set sail, there was no turning back. With thousands of miles of paved road ahead of us, we set out to California, driving from state to state, visiting unique places and meeting amazing people. Until this happened. We live out the back of this camper van, and one of our worst nightmares happened yesterday. We were going 70 miles an hour on the interstate and our back tire blew out and it made us get out of control, and we actually ended up smashing into a guardrail, and that completely destroyed our front suspension. So now we're out here in the middle of nowhere in Louisiana. We're parked outside of an auto zone and we're gonna try to fix it. So let's go. So for the damages, we ended up hitting all right here, and this wheel ended up going this way. So it actually broke the whole control arm. So now the tire is touching there, and we already put a spare on, but all these plastics fell off. When that back tire blew out, all the pieces of tire started spinning around, as you can see right there, and ripped off all the plastic pieces. Luckily, there's no dents on there, so we just need to replace the plastic pieces. But this is the main problem. After finally fixing the camper van, we got back on the road and made it over to San Diego, California, where we are today. And it's a beautiful day today, so we're gonna go explore and check out the beach. So let's go. We got the bikes off the van and we made it over to the beach, so we're gonna ride over right now and see what it's like. San Diego is super overpopulated, but it is so beautiful here. A lot more beautiful than I expected it to be. The weather is really nice and there's so much greenery, and it's also really clean. So far for me, it's a 10 out of 10. Super beautiful. Look at all the mountains up there with all the houses on it. Very, very nice. Holy shit, guys. This is the perfect blend of beautiful weather, beautiful palm trees, mountains, ocean, all of it. I absolutely love it. Let's go walk around. This view is definitely something you don't get on the East Coast. I can only imagine how much it costs to live inside of one of these houses.
All right, so we're over here near Catalog Park. So we're gonna ride to this little downtown-y area and check out this spot.
10-minute bike ride to the strip that Hope found. So we're gonna ride over there and see what they have. It looks like they have like some bars and restaurants and stuff. So let's ride over and check it out. I'll tell you what, going up and down these mountains is not too easy. I'm out of shape. I'm hungry. I need a beer. This is the little strip here. Just seems like a bunch of bars and breweries and restaurants and really expensive places to shop. So we were just riding our bikes around and look at what we found. There's just a bunch of sea lions just chilling. So they have like this really big overlook spot right here, and there's sea lions down there, and you can just see all the ocean, and oh, that's Hope right there. But this is a perfect place to come and watch the sunset. So we're probably gonna chill here till the sun goes down and then head back over to the van. Well, earlier we were down at that beach over there, and we rode our bikes all the way around, up the hill, down the hill till we got here. So we still need to ride back, but thankfully it's almost all downhill. So I just came down these stairs right here, and they have a bunch of seals and sea lions just swimming right here with the people. It's pretty crazy. And there's a bunch on the rocks over there as well. And we have some caves, so let's walk over and see what these caves are like. There's a lot of people inside of there right now, so we're gonna see if we can get a turn going in there. It's definitely not natural. You can see some rebar and stuff like that, so it was definitely man-made. But we're gonna try to walk through here. So there's like red algae inside of here and stuff. Very cool. It's cold. And then on the other side over there, you have a bunch of seals and sea lions and stuff. So very cool. Definitely cool, very unique. But now we're gonna head back up to the bike, so I left Hope up there. We're gonna head back over to the van. We gotta walk the dogs. It's been a couple hours since they've been out. So we're gonna ride back over there. And hopefully we make it there alive with all these damn hills. All right, here goes the first massive hill.
We were just bike riding. I'm out of breath. We were going uphill. But look, it's a banana tree. I've never seen a banana tree in real life.
We went to the beach. We saw mountains, beautiful palm trees. We saw sea lions.
Banana trees.
And even banana trees. Guys, so far living in a camper van is absolutely worth it. California, you're doing a great job down here in San Diego. Next is Baja, Mexico. Guys, if you want to keep watching us travel around the country, be sure to click that subscribe button. But I'll see you in the next video. Peace.